Hello, this is Uplifting Post Tower. Welcome to the Stadshotellet in Skellefteå in Sweden. This hotel is operated by Strawberry and called Comfort Hotel. Alright, let's get straight in and head to the elevator, which is situated to the left. And this used to be an old elevator, but disappointingly it has been modernized into a cool fake space. Insert trademark here.
Våning 3. Våning 4. Våning 2.
And now to the second elevator, which used to go down to the car park, and it still does, by the way. This used to be a David Schindler elevator, and it has now been modernized. Featuring folding inner doors at one side and sliding inner doors at the other. When this elevator has been modernized, some of the floors have been removed out of the logic. This elevator does no longer go to the first floor, and it also does no longer stop at floor -1. At these floors, it still has got the original call buttons, by the way.
Reception.
And now to the next and final elevator, which, for as far as I know, is an actual Kone monospace. But I'm pretty sure that this one used to be an old elevator as well.
Första våningen. Kör uppåt. Fjärde våningen.